Hey, welcome to Smart Money Finance. What if I told you that you could earn money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into 10 practical, beginner-friendly passive income ideas that can help you start building financial freedom in 2025. These aren't just theories. They're backed by real-world data and expert strategies. So, grab a notebook, because this might just change your life. Let's get started. Before we dive into the ideas, let's clarify what passive income really means. Passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's not get rich quick, but it's definitely work smart, not hard. Think about royalties, dividends, or automated businesses that keep generating income. Sounds good? Let's break down the first idea. First on our list, YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the most accessible ways to build passive income in 2025. Here's how it works. You create videos on a topic you're passionate about. Once you're monetized, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For instance, my friend Prickshit started his channel, Prickshit Experiments, where he teaches how to make speakers and other electronic items at home at incredibly affordable costs. After a lot of hard work, his channel is now growing steadily. Not only does he provide amazing DIY tutorials, but he also has a new speaker brand called GetVolt, where you can buy premium quality speakers at the most affordable prices. If you're into electronics or want to learn something new, check out his channel. Links in the description. So, choose a niche you're knowledgeable about: tech reviews, fitness tips, or even storytelling. Use tools like Canva for thumbnails and TubeBuddy for SEO optimization. Here's a fun fact. Top creators like MrBeast reportedly earn over $54 million annually. Even small creators can make $500 to $1,000 a month with consistent effort. Next up, print on demand. This is perfect if you're creative or love designing. You can sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. Here's how to start. Research trending niches using Google Trends, then use Canva to create eye-catching designs and promote your store via social media and ads. Idea 3. Dividend-paying stocks. This is the OG of passive income. You invest in companies that share profits with shareholders. Think Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. Practical tip. Start with platforms like Robinhood or Webull. Then research dividend yield and payout history. Consider ETFs like VYM or SCHD for diversified exposure. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." If you're good at something, teach it. Online courses are booming with platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Practical tip. Focus on high-demand topics like coding, graphic design, or personal development. Use tools like Thinkific to build your course. Market your course through email lists or YouTube tutorials. According to DataPoint, the e-learning market is projected to reach $375 billion by 2026. Have a story to tell or expertise to share? Selling ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is an excellent passive income stream. Practical tip. Write on niche topics with a dedicated audience. Use tools like Grammarly for editing and Canva for cover design. One self-published author earned $50,000 annually writing short guides on personal finance. There you have it. Most powerful passive income ideas to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the key is to take action. Pick one idea, start small, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and drop a comment with the idea you're most excited to try.